What's up, BBs?
What's up?
So we are in Las Vegas again. We have another room tour for you. So today we are at the Hilton Grand Vacations Club on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to show you guys our room.
Check it out.
Let's go. All right, so we're going to show you guys our room. All right, so when you first walk in, let's actually make our way to the bathroom. Hey guys. So, single sink. You get a towel. Lovely products. Are these by the Evelyn and Crabtree? Yes, it is. The ever so classic Evelyn and Crabtree. We got the body lotion here, tissues. You have your towels, your hair dryer, a zoomable mirror, washcloths, toilet paper. Here is our toilet. Extra towels, a nice size soaking tub, and you get the lovely Evelyn and Crabtree, the conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel trio, the holy trio. Here's the area for your soap. All right, let's make our way on out. We're gonna go to the closet here. Got your standard, your safe, your iron. Nice closet space. All right, so here you got a microwave. You got a coffee maker, and you do get some dishes and some silverware. Let's see if there's anything up here. Ooh, you get a toaster. Your cream and sugar for your coffee. There is a mini fridge. That's cute. And I'm assuming down here is your classic paper towel, your dish soap, your sponge, your trash can. All right, we're gonna make our way to the bedroom. This is the bed. It's a king. You got a TV with the works. Nice drawer space here. A very cute and quirky lamp. Nice table set. We do have different drawers on each side, as you can see. That's pretty cute. My favorite thing here is this rainbow hummingbird. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so cute. Last but not least, we're gonna take a room and take a look at this view that we got. You can see Hilton, you can see Resorts World, High Resorts World. You can see Circus. And this is our view, you guys. Look. What's up, Vegas? Look at the mountains back there. And here is the pool. Yes, people are chilling at the pool in December. That's Vegas for you. Let us know what you guys think. Bye, BBs.